Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the ZigZag Channel Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This powerful technical tool combines zigzag swing detection with dynamic price channels, displaying a zigzag line that indicates current market trend and yellow channel lines connecting recent highs and lows for support and resistance identification. In this video, you will see how the zigzag channel works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The zigzag indicator helps discover pricing trends and changes by reducing the impact of random price variations, showing points on a chart when price is reversed by a percentage more than a predetermined variable, with straight lines connecting these spots. The zigzag channel indicator combines a powerful trading channel with the zigzag indicator displayed as a trading channel in the main MT4 chart window with a zigzag line across price candles indicating current market trend and that switches direction when major price reversals occur. The yellow lines connect the price's recent highs and lows to form an auto price channel, with the lower line serving as support and the upper line serving as resistance, recognizing triangular patterns in addition to trend line support and resistance. You can already see it installed on the chart. It's quite easy to interpret. The zigzag line across price candles shows the current market trend switching direction when major reversals occur, providing clear visual confirmation of trend changes. The auto channel's yellow lines form dynamic support and resistance levels by connecting recent highs and lows, allowing traders to use the trend line S and Rs to determine trade entry levels when price is moving within the channel. If the price breaks out of the channel, it's considered a possible price breakout, with the zigzag lines helping determine the market trend before making an order, and the auto channel's trend line placements evaluating trade entry levels. As for the settings, let's take a look at some of the inputs. We have the smooth period, the channel width, font size, font name, and the draw channel. We can also customize our preferred colors and choose our preferred time frames as well. As for who this indicator is for, the zigzag channel indicator is suitable for technical traders identifying the prevailing trend to make decisions accordingly, traders predicting potential support and resistance levels, and anyone using forex trading systems requiring entry and exit confirmation. Its strengths include working with any forex trading system or strategy, identifying market trends through zigzag swing detection, recognizing triangular patterns and trendline SNRs, and compatibility across stock, futures, cryptocurrency charts, plus MT4 ZigZag EA for automated trading. However, buy and sell signals are based on historical price history, which may or may not predict future price movements, with the majority of a trend possibly already occurred when a zigzag line appears. The most recent line may be temporary, as the indicator begins drawing a new line when the price moves in a new direction, and it may generate false signals, sometimes without profit guarantees. You can download the ZigZag Channel Indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining zigzag swing detection with auto price channels creates a balanced tool for judging prospective trade settings using both trend and level analysis. If you like indicators that merge trend identification with dynamic support and resistance channels, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.